What's up, Iconic fam? JB here with Iconic Mods, and we're back with another review video for you today. Now, if you've been rocking with me on the channel for a minute, you know that I've been closely working on upgrading the channel to make everything better for you guys. That includes everything from the camera quality to the lighting and audio. So I felt it was time to take the audio game up to another level. So like any small channel, I decided to reach out to a company named Deity and take my shot. Well, they reached back to my surprise or dismay, depending on how you look at it, because they asked me if I had ever danced on a pole. Not really sure what that has to do with audio, but I pleaded the fifth anyway. They laughed, thought it was funny, and decided to send me out this. This is the VLav lapel microphone, so we're going to take a look at this bad boy today. Stay tuned. Now, if this is your first time rocking with me on the channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Know that I make tech videos about case mods, custom builds, and product reviews like this one right here. So if you're into any of that stuff, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and bang that bell. That way you don't miss any content I got coming up in the future. Now, we're going to be trying a new format on the channel from now on, which is I'm going to give you my opinion early on in the video. So those of you who are looking for that, you don't have to stick around for the whole video. So do I think you should buy this particular product, and do I think it's worth it? Yes and yes. I think this product is absolutely worth it, and I highly recommend that you go ahead and pick one up. And I'm not biased in any kind of way because they sent it out to me. You guys should know that from now on, that my reviews are always going to be 100% legit, because I don't really care if the company sent me the product or not. I'm going to give you my honest opinion, because when it comes down to it, that's what really matters. You guys want to know, do I honestly recommend a product? And in this particular case, I do. So if that's all you came for, there you go. For those of you who want to know the rest of the stuff, go ahead and stick around. Now, if you've been watching YouTube videos for a while, chances are you have your favorite YouTubers and you watch tons of their videos, or you happen to be a creator on a platform yourself. If you have, either way, 9 times out of 10, you've at least heard of a company called Aputure. Aputure is known as the premier lighting company to go to for mid-tier and higher level channels, because they make some fantastic lighting products, and let's be honest, they ain't cheap, bruh. Well, Deity is no different, as Aputure is the parent company of Deity, so Deity is the yin to Aputure's yang. Now, a couple years ago, Deity decided to slide out from underneath its parent company and take its audio game to the next level. Which is why, as of late, a lot of YouTubers have been switching over from Rode over to Deity. Now, a lot of those YouTubers include people like Terry Warfield, video influencers, DSLR video shooter, C-Kid Tech, CJ Knows Tech, El Jefe Reviews, just to name a few. Now, they're not jumping ship from Rode over to Deity for no reason. They're doing it because, hands down, Deity is a better product. So they want to also put out the best product for you guys, which is why they're switching over. Now, typically we unbox everything on the channel, but this one's going to be a little bit different. So inside the box, you'll find this: your manual, your warranty paperwork, which hopefully you'll never need, but if you do, I hear Deity has fantastic warranty coverage. Inside that, you'll also find your reinforced Kevlar case. As you can see right here, it's reinforced, it's pretty tough. Up front, it's got a leather insert here with the VLav logo across the front. On the back, you'll find a holster right here where you can run your belt through and wear it whenever you need to. And of course, you'll find the Deity branding right here. Now, this particular case is actually pretty dope because it's a hard case. It's got some reinforcement to it. You don't have to worry about smashing your thing or breaking it in any kind of way. Unlike the Boya case, which is more of a pouch, and yeah, I've had some issues with that already. But anyway, aside from that, you'll find this right here, which is the VLav itself. And it's sporting the windscreen on the front, your pop filter, so to speak. And then also it has a clip for you to clip it onto your shirt. On the opposite end, it terminates in a TRRS connector, 3.5 millimeters, which can be plugged into just about anything that has a 3.5 millimeter jack that will record audio. Then midway through the cable, you'll find this. Now, this is what makes this lavalier different from anything else on the market. Now, as you can see, there's tons of cable bunched up right here, because this is 5 millimeters worth of cable, or 5 meters worth of cable, which is roughly about 16.5 feet. So yeah, you got some distance you can use this and be away from the camera. In addition to that, you'll have this, which is your high windscreen for whenever you're outside and wind is at an all-time high. You remove your pop filter and you throw this bad boy on, and it will greatly reduce the amount of noise that you hear from the wind. The only thing I were to wish is that Deity actually used this as black and not white, because it's highly noticeable. Not sure I'll ever use this. I kind of hope I don't have to because I don't do a lot of recording outside. But if I do need to, it's there. I've got that. And the thing that makes this particular lapel microphone different from any other mic on the market would be this. This is the battery-powered microprocessor that can also be found on Deity's D3 and D3 Pro shotgun mics. However, this is Deity's entry-level microphone. They just released a new one during NAB of 2019. That's an upgraded version. But we don't have that one reviewed, so we're reviewing this one right now. Now, the thing that makes this microphone different because of that microprocessor, it allows this microphone to be plugged directly into any product with a 3.5mm jack that records audio with no issues at all. Sorry for any of you iPhone users, myself included. Thanks, Apple. Now, the fact that this is Deity's entry-level microphone, that says a lot, because right now it's straight up KOing the competition. It's throwing right hooks and left jabs to everything from Rode to the Boya microphones that are out there that are more well known. So I've given you guys a little bit of backstory on the company itself and what they do. So now we're going to jump into the sound test, which is comparing this Deity microphone to my old Boya BYM lapel microphone, as well as my Movo VRX10, which is what you're currently listening to. All right, guys, so this is the Deity VLav microphone. As you can hear, I'm still about 4 to 5 feet away from the camera right now. I don't know if you guys can notice any difference in between the two, but I just wanted you guys to hear the two outside comparisons side by side. So now we're going to take it back into the studio and we'll go from there. All right, so this is the audio coming directly out of the Boya BYM lapel microphone. This is the audio coming directly out of the Boya BYM lapel microphone. All right, so now you're listening to the Deity VLav microphone. Now, this is new, and in my personal opinion, I don't know if you guys can hear the difference, but it gives a lot higher quality audio if you ask me personally. I've used the Boya in the past, like I said, but just hearing the two, I've been using this one for about a week and a half, 2 weeks now, and I think it's a lot better than the Boya. The price point reflects that as well. So again, this is the Deity VLav. This is the Deity VLav microphone sound test. All right, so now we're back on the on-camera microphone, and as you just recently heard, there is a distinct difference between the two lavalier microphones. Now, the Boya is good for entry-level stuff. If you don't have the extra 30 bucks to spend on the Deity, then maybe the Boya is for you. My personal opinion, if you're trying to really get into it, I would save up the extra 30 bucks and invest in the Deity. And the reason for that is because there's a lot of different factors that make the Deity a lot better. For one, which is the main reason of it, audio quality. The fact that the audio is a lot crisper, it's cleaner, it's more precise, it just sounds better overall. It's got the right tones and the right everything. And the fact that there is no muss, no fuss, it's a plug and play type device. Whereas with the Boya, you have to flip a switch and mess with everything whenever you want to switch it from different devices. It's a pain in the butt. With this, with the microprocessor, you just plug it in, the microprocessor does its thing to make sure you get the proper audio out of your microphone. And for me, that's awesome. I just love to plug it in, turn the camera on, and get busy. So if that's something you're gonna need, you don't want to have to think about it, you just want to record and go, then the Deity is the way to go. Also, it comes down to the carrying materials and everything that comes with the microphones. Now, with the Boya, you're going to get the carrying pouch, you're going to get the pop filter that comes on it, and the clip. That's all well and good. However, the carrying pouch is very soft and flimsy. It's a pouch, literally a drawstring pouch. Whereas the Deity comes in a Kevlar style reinforced case, which makes it very easy to travel with and carry with you. You can throw it on your belt, you can just take it and go. You don't have to worry about your product getting damaged because you bumped up against something or whatever the case may be. Trust me, I've been through that. I've already broken my Boya twice because of something like that. Having to stick it in my pocket and I hit something or whatever the case may be. With the Deity, it's reinforced on the case. I don't have to worry about that. So besides that, I mean, like I said at the beginning of the video, do I think you should purchase this product? Absolutely. Would I buy it myself if I had to? Absolutely, I would. And if that's something you want to do, I'll drop links in the description down below. And hopefully this video helps you make your purchase decision an easier one. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, do all that normal stuff. Stalk me on social media. And yes, I did say stalk me on social media. So I love interacting. I'll be in the comments for the next hour or so. If you want any feedback or you want any other questions you have you want to get answered, I'll be there for that. In the meantime, that's it for this review. So I'm JB with Iconic Mods, and I'm gonna holler at you in the next one. Peace.